Oh, hey guys! Wow, I was so relaxed I didn't even see you come in. Welcome to my home. My name's Melissa, and I'm so happy to have you today. You know, I went to Boston University, and it was a great time, but I'm ready for something new. Alright, I'm ready to work for your company at Cariloha and Del Sol. I think you guys are doing amazing things with your products. The whole island feel, the bamboo line is just out of this world. It's so soft. I love it. And I really want to learn things. I want to learn about marketing and advertising and salesmanship. And I think I'd be a great fit. I'm awesome. I'm fun. I got lots of energy. Let's do this. I'm sure you're wondering what I'm drinking right here. This, I made in this really special blender. Why don't you come on inside with me and I'll show you it. Come on in. Come on, this way. This right here is the Ninja Blender. Oh! Just saying Ninja Blender makes me want to get the best inner ninja out of me into the world. You know, the person who's stealthy, fit, flexible. You could be all those things with the Ninja Blender. You know, it works so hard. It is probably the hardest working blender I've ever seen. One time, I was chopping up some fruit and veggies. I threw in my knife on mistake, not knowing, pressed the on button. It was blending my knife. I thought, wow, look at that thing go. This thing works so hard to blend. It inspires me to be a better person, to blend more, you know, to work hard. I love this thing. It's taught me a lot. It's gotten me healthy. I lost 800 pounds. It continually inspires me. Anyways, buy this Ninja Blender today. If you can. I'll see you guys later. I gotta go outside and drink my smoothie. Thanks for coming by.